Okay, the next thing you want to do is you want to add some pictures. Adding pictures is super easy. It's just like in a Word document. You're going to go up to Insert Pictures. This first one is for pictures that you have on your computer. All right, and I have saved a picture to my desktop. And here it is. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click Insert. And there it is on my brochure. It's too big, so I'm going to grab one of the corners and I'm going to drag it to the size that I need it to fit on my brochure. And then you can see I can drag it anywhere I want. I'll put it here, and then I'm going to put a caption underneath it. So I'm going to throw in a text box. Remember, I showed you that one last time. And I'm going to put in thanks giving food. And then when I highlight it, I can format my text. I can change the font. I can change the size. I can change the color. And I can decide where I want it within my text box. I want it right in the middle. All right, so there is adding a picture from my computer. The other way, two ways you can add pictures, or you can do online pictures. Online pictures are clip art. So if I put in turkey, you can see I have all these turkeys. I click on the one that I want and I hit insert, and then I can move it to wherever I want it to be on my brochure. And the other way that you can insert a picture is by going to online pictures, and is to go out to the internet and find your picture on Bing. Thanksgiving. All right, so if I decide I want this picture, what I do is I click on it. So I've selected it, and then you can see that down here it's going to take me out to the website so that I can cite it, because all these pictures are under Creative Commons. It says please review the specific license for any that you want to use. Well, what we do here is we just put on the URL of the website where we got the picture. So I'm going to go out to the website. Here's the picture. I'm going to copy the URL. Then I'm going to come back. I'm going to insert my picture. I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to make it small so that it fits on that panel. I'll bring it down here. And then I need to cite it. So you can either, maybe on the second page, you're going to have a citation section, or you can just cite it right underneath. So again, you would put in your text box, and you would paste that URL in there, and you can format it any way you want. Maybe you want it smaller so it's not distracting. All right, so that is how you add pictures. The other thing that you might want to do is you might want to insert some shapes or some borders or some accents. So I went into insert, and then I went over here and I hit borders and accents. And you can see you've got all sorts of different ones that are kind of picked to fit the theme of this brochure already. You would just click on it and you can make it bigger. You can move it around. You can twist it. So you can do lots of things with the border. Or down here there were more borders and accents. And that's going to give you all sorts of different options. Maybe I want to put in awning stripes. All right, that's how you would add borders.